Hello guys, today I received these Bone Conduction Headphones. I like it because it's like a sport headphones, and I also like it because it's a Bluetooth version. Okay, and here in the back part it's the product advantages. Okay, so I'm going to open it and let's see what's inside. Okay, first we open it, we have this bag, really cute, and I think inside there are the headphones. Yeah, they're here. Okay, and here's also this box, maybe it's like the connector. Oh, and here it's like the indicator, like description, it's the manual. Okay, and here in the inside it's the charger, it's here. Okay, I'm going to show you how to put it, but also I'm going to recommend you to save this instruction manual. Okay, now I'm going to show you how to put it. This one, it goes like this in this part, and then this part, like the curved part, goes in your ear. Okay, it goes like this. Let me show you. Okay, there it is. And this part doesn't goes inside your ear. Okay, so it goes like this. You can see there I'm moving, and it's very comfortable because it doesn't goes down. I think it's perfect because sometimes when you're using your headphones and you have it like inside of your ear, you can't listen what it's like outside. So these ones, you can perfect listen your music or be talking with someone, and then you listening what it's happening outside. Okay, so I like it. They are like stretch, let's say like that. So I think it's perfect that you can use it for, maybe if you have like a lot of hair like mine, it's going to be perfect because it's stretched, so I can fix it like however I want.